Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me this week. So this week I'm going to be talking about the importance of data science, also known as statistics and probability in the traditional curriculum. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this week I'm going to be talking about the importance of data science and trying to integrate the different topics within data science, such as statistics and probability, within a curriculum. So many mathematicians agree that mathematics is a set of interconnected conceptual relationships, and everything that we study in mathematics is actually a concept, an organizing idea that's timeless, universal, abstract to varying degrees, and transferable across different situations. And data science involves not only collecting data and handling data, but analyzing data, displaying that data, representing that data. And the data could be collected through different probability experiments and calculating probabilities. And so I know traditionally a lot of schools approach data science and statistics and probability and put it at the end of the year. And sometimes because the rest of the year gets so busy and there's lots of events and disruptions with the calendar, the statistics and probability unit sometimes gets neglected and sometimes there's no time devoted to it. And so I suggest that data science should be either taught at the beginning or infused throughout the year. So what do I mean by that? So lots of schools start off the year with just looking at number skills, fractions, decimals, percentages, different operations, and understanding those different operations. I think that that should be introduced and connected with probability. So imagine if students are playing all these different games, collecting data, and then working up probabilities and using different representations of those probabilities, such as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. Other examples of how we can infuse data science throughout the entire year in different units is with linear functions, as an example. So with linear functions, we could probably look at so many different situations and contexts that model a real life situation. So again, students could collect their own data. They could model that data using a linear function to make predictions. They could look at different averages, look at dispersion of that data, and the dispersion could be standard deviation or some kind of range. And then they could analyze and represent that data in different ways. And another topic that we could try to infuse more data science into is quadratics. Now, normally quadratics is a really dry topic. It's normally approached very algebraically and analytically and focused on a lot of algorithms and skills. And quadratics is normally just focused on different ways of factorizing, using the formula, and not connected with the geometry. So it's really important that we try and connect the geometry and look at the graph and the transformation of the parabola and how that connects to the different forms of the parabola or the quadratic function. And we could also look at different situations and contexts that actually model a quadratic function and have that parabolic shape. And then we can actually infuse the data science side by looking at a quadratic regression, perhaps, and using that for predictions as well. So I just wanted to stress the importance of data science, in other words, statistics and probability, and how we can actually be infusing those different ideas of data handling into all of our algebra, geometry units, or any units, as mathematics is so interconnected in so many different ways. So I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you so much for joining me again this week, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.